It is a rainy, dreary Monday. The temperatures outside are in the 50s. Here in the building, it is well into the 60s. It's like a greenhouse in here. The birds are happy, they're healthy. Look at that beautiful salad. They get Brussels sprouts and sweet potatoes, green bell peppers, cranberries, and unsweetened organic dried cherries with some chopped celery, and it just looks delicious, doesn't it? Look at that. Look at these birds. Let's see. There's the Parrots, and over somewhere we have the red lory, and here are the rainbow lories. Now, I have not forgotten about the pheasant video that I have promised. I am still trying to work on that. Just with it being so wet and so cold and so rainy outside where the pheasants are, that I just haven't gotten enough footage recorded to do that for you yet. There is Chipper, our African gray. Joel is in her nest box. She's in there. I don't think she has an egg yet, but maybe hopefully soon. Wouldn't that be fun? He is chowing down on, right now it looks like Brussels sprouts. Yummy, delicious Brussels sprouts for him. This is Ruby and Jack. They're really enjoying their salad. They've got some sprouted seeds under there. They've gone to town on those cranberries. Look at that. Say hello, Jack. How about Ruby? Hello, Ruby. Hello, Ruby. I love these. They look like silhouettes. Just beautiful, beautiful birds. If you've never seen a Vasa parrot in person, you have missed out on one of life's great beauties. That's Forrest and Mia. She's the monster that normally lives in the box. She rarely ever comes out. She has an egg in there. I'm going to take it into the incubator. Well, no, I'm not. Guys, this is just one of the tragedies. She has thrown out all her children, and her egg is busted. This makes me so sad. I should have brought it in yesterday. Guys, I'm going to have to close it. Bye.